Hey there, my name is Casey Locurdo. I'm a member of the GIS team in the ITS department of Napa County. And today I want to give you, whether you're a Napa County employee or a member of the public, a little introduction and some instructions on how to use our new Napa County GIS data hub. This is a one-stop shop for Napa County spatial data that is available to the public. So what can you do with the data hub? Main thing is you can download spatial data here. If you're a member of the public, this is where you want to come to search for and download any spatial data. If you're a Napa County employee who often distributes spatial data, this is the best site to send data requesters to. We also have links to public maps and applications that the GIS team develops. We'll have links to other departments' data and maps. We're going to have announcements about any new GIS data or maps that we're creating or releasing. And it's going to be a place for the public and other county employees to get in touch with us, ask us questions, make comments or suggestions. We would really love to hear from you and hear some ideas. So let me show you how to search for spatial data. So if you know what you want to look for, you want to use this search bar right here in the middle. So click into it, and let's say I want to search for roads. So let me type in my word there, roads. And I don't want major roads or minor roads, I want all roads. So I'm going to click the roads center line here. And let's give that a second to think and find the data. There you go. So you can see it says too many records. That's okay, because we don't care about seeing the roads on the map. We just want to download the data so we can use it ourselves. Let me close that out. And if you want to download all of the roads, just click download here. And you have a few options. So if you just need a spreadsheet, you can download a CSV. If you want spatial data, I would recommend going for the shapefile here. That's probably the most common format for spatial data, but you can also download a KML or a GeoJSON if you want. So let's click download option. So you can either generate a new download with the latest data, or you can download a file previously generated. So if the data is rapidly changing, then you might want to download new data. But if it's something that doesn't change really that much, it'll be a lot quicker to just click on this one here. And so let me do that. And there you go. There you have it. I have just downloaded a zipped file with the shapefile inside it. So if you unzip that file, you can pop that shapefile into ArcGIS Pro, QGIS, and other mapping softwares. Let me show you one more thing here. Let's say you just want roads that are inside Napa City, one thing you can do here is go to this filter data button, click on that, and here we have a list of all the fields inside the data set. So let's go down. How about jurisdiction? Let me click that, and then up here you're given all the values here. So I know that I want to just do the city of Napa. So if I click that, and I go back to the download button, and I download another shapefile, click that, and now I just have the road center lines that are in Napa City. Cool. So let me go back to the home here. Now let's say I don't know what I want. I'm just looking around for data. I just want to see what Napa County GIS has. So instead of typing anything in here, I'm going to click on the data tab at the top. And I think the best way, you can look through based on categories here. But if you want to see everything, you can do browse all data there. And so you can see we have 69 items here. Some of them are maps, so you won't be able to download this, but you can view the map. But these data sets are the data you can download as shape files. So you can take a look. We got the county boundary, vegetation, streams, wineries. We do have imagery here. The imagery is not available to download. If you want a hard copy of the imagery, you have to get in touch with us, send us an email, and we can load that imagery up on a hard drive for you for $225. But if you want to view the imagery, you can do that by clicking it here. I won't do that now because I want to show you another way to view it. But let's go back to home. Let's take a look at some of the other things here. So here's some quick links. The parcel's public will just take you to a place where you can download the parcels, just like we were in the roads. Just like we downloaded the roads, this will take you to a place to download the parcels. Here are some quick links to other maps from the county, assessor maps, fire damage. I want to bring your attention to this Explore More Maps. If you click on that, you will be taken to the Napa County Enterprise Portal, where we have other public maps that you can see here and some other help documents for those maps. If you're a county employee, you can click on Sign In here, and you can use your single sign-on to enter into the portal where you can see some of our internal data and internal maps. But let me stop there. And here is a few other quick links to data, agriculture. This is just click on this and you will be taken to the page where you can download that data. And we have our Napa County public map here. I think the easiest way to view this map is actually by clicking on this button and opening it in a new tab. You can't download any of the data here. This is just for viewing. If you want to download the data, then you're going to want to go back to this home page and either search for it or browse the catalog. But here you can use these layer lists here to find different data layers and view them. So maybe we want to look at urban areas or groundwater. And you can also look at the aerial imageries and compare the different years here. Maybe if you're a history person, you want to see what Napa County looked like in 1940 or 1973. So this is a cool map that the public can use. And then if we keep going down here, another way to find the data, but also I want to bring attention to this Contact Us. There's a few ways to access this, but I think the top might be the easiest. So if you click on here, you can find our email address, or you can give us a call. You can take a survey, which basically asks you about the GIS Data Hub, and you can also pitch us some ideas. So yeah, feel free to contact us. We'd love to hear from you. But yeah, that's all I have for this little introduction. But thank you for watching, and have a good one.